and we installed another button. You can see it just now like a key to turn left, right, and it's more convenient. But the difference, yes, you can see it here. Yes, this is button. Yes, right. During its operation, so 8 pumps. We will see the pumps. So 6 pumps are usually in operation. 2 of them stand by. One on one side, one is that machine. The operators of the reactor hall, together with this engineer, they needed to change the fuel assemblies. After that explosion, practically all that ceiling and all the structures collapsed, and it's impossible. It was impossible to find, I told you, anybody or somebody or something.